Hello, I will be teaching you today how to create kids story with AI. Now, kids storybook with AI. Now, before creating the kids storybook, number one, we need to be able to know how to generate a story. Now, you should have your script. You should have your script first before generating the story. All right, so the next thing we'll do is I'll quickly head on to an AI tool called ChatGPT. Now I'm going to go to ChatGPT. I actually did this before now, and I said this was what I typed: write a brief moral story about a kid in school exhibiting leadership in class. Now yours might not be the same way. Yours might be write a moral story about children, okay, or write a brief moral story about animals. So whatever thing you want to write on, okay, you should. This is actually what we'll be doing. So I just narrowed it to write a story about a kid in school exhibiting leadership in class. Now it gave me a very wonderful story. Okay, I did not add some things there. Personally, for me, I like adding exhibiting leadership in class, make the story interesting, very interesting, and simple to understand. Okay, I was meant to add this, but I did not add this. So, but this is how to create this kind of story. Once upon a time, a little girl named Lily. She was the fastest. She had a heart full of kindness, bursting with creativity. Okay, now it's similar to what we have actually. I like the fact that this is also simple, but that's just how to create a story. Now the next thing I did was I divided my story into scene, and AI can do that for you. I just said divide the story into different scene and its associated image prompt. Now it's expected for you to read the story and understand what it's talking about. So what I did was, the next thing I did here was, after dividing the story, I sent it to ChatGPT and asked it to divide the story for me. It divided the story for me. So I'm going to do the same thing to divide the other story that we just generated now, and watch what's going to happen. It's going to divide it. The special project announcement, the idea explosion, Lily stand, creative circle, bringing ideas to life. Now this is a book already. Now this is a book that has been divided probably into different scenes. Okay, idea explosion, Lily stand, this, that. Okay, so you should do that also. Now the next thing is this story, the classroom announcement. Okay, and I'm going to come here and once upon a time in a Boston school named Harmony Elementary, there was a bright and cheerful boy named Alex. Alex was not the fastest runner or the smartest kid. Okay, so was not the fastest runner or the smartest kid, but he was obsessed with a special quality that set him apart, and that is what leadership. One day, the teacher, Miss Turner, announced that the class would be working on a collaborative project to create a garden outside the classroom. The students were excited, but as they started brainstorming, different ideas clashed and chaos ensued. Okay, now to create this, I can still go back to ChatGPT, and if you're going to be using the same dimension for books, okay, I could just go to ChatGPT, sorry, to Canva, and storybook. I'll just type storybook. So I could have some template, children's storybook. Now what am I doing? I just want to edit the template they have there, and insert mine. Okay, so let's see the templates they have. Come on, you should be fast. This is a storybook, so you should give me something fast. I don't need a book cover. Okay, I just want something. Okay, now this is where it gets little amazing, because my kind of person wants to check almost all the templates. No one is catching my fancy yet. Why is this so? I just said I needed a storybook. If I can't get that, I will just have to create mine. I'm seeing more of. Okay, let's work with this. Oh, this storybook, nothing was written. Okay, I think I like that other one. Okay, the haunted. Now this is good. The quest, this is amazing. See, I like the way this is. I think I'll work with this. Customize this template. All right, let's see what is giving us. Normally I would have just used the plain stuff and write that, but this book belongs to. Okay, this is amazing. This is amazing. Okay, now since I didn't see something, yeah, I saw something, but I think I will just go with creating something from the scratch. All right, so create a design, and I'll just make that. Okay, yeah, create a design. Let's see. No, I went to docs. Sorry about that. That shouldn't be. I think I should just use this Facebook post, and then I'll convert it to PDF. Okay. Now I'm going to click on the text too. Okay, and that part that was said, okay, I would just reduce that. Now this is actually very small, so I'm going to increase that because it's meant to be increased. Now I'm going to remove this 1D because that's looking too much. Okay, and no, I think I want some spacing. Okay, so I might decide to color this. Some persons like those. Oh, it's not. I need powerful colors actually. Okay, and remember this is talking about a boy, so let's introduce our character. I created a prompt for a character, and one of the prompts I created for him is now I created a character. I said 3D illustration of a 4-year-old boy by name Bio. He's wearing a neat school uniform. I'm creating him now, white shirt and blue shorts, and he stands in front of a female teacher in class while his friends are sitting on the chair. Okay, now I think, because I think I want to use this guy, so I would download him and then bring him on Canva. Now bring him on Canva. He should be somewhere here. Okay, just drag him there and then bring him here. So now I have just created somebody. Okay. Okay. Now, once upon a time in a bustling school named Harmony Elementary, now I could decide to create that name of the school. Now you see what I said, that's why I told you then, understanding prompts is very important. The name of the school is Harmony Elementary, so in front of I will just put in front of a school titled, front of a school, in front of a school whose name is, okay, Harmony Elementary. Okay, school. Close the bracket. Now that's actually the last boost I have. I hope it comes out well. Okay, now once it comes out, I'm going to show you the prompt. You can use the prompt to do yours. All right, so I'm going to explain everything about the prompt once it comes out, so I just want that to come out. Okay, amazing. Now this is a character. This is him. Now this is him. Okay, Harmony Elementary School. You can see that. Good. I think I like this one because the name of the school was there. I like either the first one or the second one, but I think I'll go with this. Now this is a prompt to use 3D illustration of a 4-year-old melanin skin tone named Bio. You can call him any name. Now he is wearing a neat school uniform. I'm going to explain all this. Now what am I doing? I am creating the kind of person I want. Okay, you can use 10-year-old boy, melanin skin tones. I just want him dark, that's why I used melanin skin tones. Nigerian boy, so in case the AI prompt escaped the melanin, he knows there is a Nigerian person. The 3D means I want it to look more or less like a cartoon. He's wearing a neat school uniform, good, white shirt on navy blue shorts. So I wanted the cloth like that, and then with a well-carved low cut, good. Now I want him to be recognized with that. Now he stands. Now what I will do, if you are to do yours, you are not going to tamper with this. The only thing you'll be touching is the action. After this stuff here, you can start changing whatever thing you want here. It stands in front of a school called Harmony Elementary School. All right, so I'm going to download him, and I'm going to download the picture, sorry, and let's go back to Canva. So instead of using this, I'm going to use this. Now I'm going to use this. If you notice, they look alike. The first one looks like the other. All right, so good. So this is it. So once upon a time, Harmony, there was a bright and cheerful boy named Alex. Alex was not the fastest runner, but he was obsessed with a special quality that sets him. Now what are we doing? We are getting our book ready. Now if you don't like that color that's there, you can change it back to white. Any color suits, or any color is fine. Any color is fine. So I think something almost blue should work. Almost blue. I just feel because of okay, I think I'll just manage that. Okay, the harmony is not showing. That means I'll have to reduce this so that it can show. Okay, good. I think I like this now. This is cool. I want to make them bold. Okay, this is amazing. Now I can duplicate that so that everything we are typing will be there. Now I go back. One day, teacher announced that a class will be working on a collaborative project outside the classroom. Funny enough, I did not generate prompt for this. Okay, let's see if I can still generate a prompt. Okay, teacher announced that the class will be working on a collaborative project. The students were excited as they were brainstorming. Different ideas clashed and chaos ensued. Okay, let's see. Chaos and creativity. Okay, so this here, that means we might need to have 3D of a teacher in a class with students. Okay, that's 3D picture. Okay, I'm gonna put 3D of a teacher in a class with chaos among the different kids of 4 year old, of age 4. Okay, let's put of age 4. If I'm still able to create, no problem, but if not, okay, I should, oh come on. Now you see it's telling me that I can't be able to create that except 5 more posts. Actually, I've been creating a lot of pictures or images. Let's see if I can redeem 5 images. Oh, it took it out of my points. It's okay. It's okay for this. All right. You should be able to give me that 3D of a teacher in a class with chaos among different kids of age 4. All right, I'm waiting. Give me my prompts. Give me my image. No time anymore. Let's see, should give me that. Should give me that. Okay, while that is going on, I think I'm enjoying this story. I'm enjoying this. Okay. Yeah, all right. So I was able to create something, and I just for the second part, I said 3D illustration of a Nigerian teacher in a class with chaos among the different Nigerian kids of age 4 wearing white t-shirts and navel shirt. Now, how was I able to come with this? Now, the first prompt I did, this was it. 3D illustration of a teacher. I just said of a teacher in a class, and because of that, it was giving me white children, and that's not what I wanted. Okay, so what did I do? I had to modify my prompt again, and I had to be consistent because I wanted that dark colored thing. Okay, so this is it. It's because of that I was able to get something nice. I'm not going to use this is not what I wanted. These children are looking I think I'll just go with the female teacher. Oh, sorry. Okay, let's go with the male teacher, no problem. Okay, even though I was meant to use a female teacher. All right, let's manage this, and I'm going to download this. Okay, now I head on back to this. So I'm going to go to ChatGPT. One day, Miss. Okay, which I think we should still use a female teacher. It's important because it's actually a female teacher that I said in our story. So I'm going to put a Nigerian female teacher. Oh, that's. I hope I do have some coins. All right. Okay. It gave me a Nigerian teacher, but I don't think I like this. This is not nice for. Okay, yeah, I think this is good. Okay, this looks better. Okay, yeah. So I think we'll just use this. This looks better. All right, now. I'll come back to ChatGPT, and I would just okay. Now I'll come back to Canva and make this here. All right. Let's see what's happening. Okay, now one day Miss Turner announced that the class will be working. Okay, or I could just make it Mr. So it's okay. Then increase this a bit. Okay, one day Mr. Turner and okay, if I put this here, that's in case I want to use a man. I'm just going to put that here, drag it here, and then alright, so this is cool. Announce that the class will be working on a collaborative project. So you can see we've gotten our page 1, gotten the page 2. I just come to duplicate. All right, now for page 3. Now the next part was filling the order. Alex stood up and suggested, why don't you take turns? Okay, I'm going to take that part of what it said. Now I'm not going to create everything. I'm just teaching you what to do. All right, so good. Now Alex said, stood up and suggested. So I think I have a picture for that. I actually worked on that also. So I'm going to scroll through where I think is this. No, not this. Okay, this. Yes, I'm gonna pick either of these. I think I like this actually. I like this guy, but because of the earring he's putting on and his hair, I will just go with this. They look alike actually. So now I like this guy because this guy is back in the class. I like this one because it looks like he's talking. It looks like he's facing the class. Okay, so we'll just pick one of them that is almost similar to our character, and this guy is similar to our character. Now I'm going to remove this man. Yes, we've used him, and let's use him. Okay, now this is it. Okay, now feeling the need. So this is amazing. So the last page I'm going to do is this one. Now you listened attentively and towards the brainstorming session. All right, this is the brainstorming session. Okay, and this is the brainstorming session. So in this session, I think I have that picture. Let me see that. Yeah, I think I did that. So check out the prompts. The prompts I used here. Now so if we check out this, now which of them looks more like it? I think this one looks more like it, or this one works well also. So either of them, either this or this. Now where is this? I'm going to get that picture again and upload. Where is the picture? All right, so I'm going to get a picture and then so this is cool. So you can see this now. They are actually brainstorming and he's writing that. Now the ability to prompt exactly what it is, this is amazing. So you can start creating stories from here. Now one of the issues you might have is how to create consistent image. That's why if you notice, I was not changing the front part. If you don't get the exact image, you have to keep creating again, like keep generating the image until you get something similar. And please, while generating your image, do not change the part. This probably the first part. You're only changing the action. All right, you're only changing the action. You're not changing the definition, the illustration of what you're doing. You're only changing the action. If you check out all the prompts I've been doing, I wasn't changing the other parts. Now this is the next part of the our storybook. Now if you notice, our images are similar. So I just didn't want to waste much boost. That's why I was only doing one generation. If not, if I was going to do this well, I was going to be I'll make sure I generate this more than once, so that I can get something exact. All right, so once you've done this and you're done with your book, once you've done this, all you just need to do is share. Click on share, download, and not PNG, PDF print. It's going to come out as PDF. All right, I think I'll just save this. So let's see how it comes out. So we'll just have a look of how it is. All right, it's downloading. Once you do that, it's going to download, and let's see what happens. All right, let's see what happens. It's coming up. Oh, sweet. So you can see this. Now this is it. Continuation. This is amazing. This is cool, and you can see this. Awesome. So this is it about creating books. This is it about creating. You can check out my other courses on AI, on how to create AI story animations. That's for video now, in video form, but this is for PDF. All right, thank you very much. I want to see your own AI books. I want to see what you've done. I want to see how you do your prompts. I want to see them. Make sure you send them to me. All right, to have a wonderful time. Bye for now.